Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. No, not actually MATIC, it's Polygon. So formerly MATIC. It's still kind of in my mind, but yeah, no, it's Polygon. So on the Polygon chart, we could be working on a first 5-wave move up after the larger degree wave 4 bottomed in November. That's the wave 4 that started after 2021's top. Very complex ABC structure in wave W, then an ABC structure in wave X and an ABC structure in wave Y. So we have a very complex W, X, Y corrective structure, but it did not break below key support for a 4th wave. So it is still possible to get this 5th wave into the $5 region, maybe even higher. But I'm only going to fully believe it, or let's say probabilities will increase for that once we have a first 5-wave move to the upside. In my interpretation, we only have 3 waves up, okay? It would look certainly better with one more high for a clearer 5-wave move up. Now, it's not typically the best time to buy when we have 5 waves completed, but in the pullback afterwards, that's typically a decent time to buy. So in the wave 2, but only if that pullback is corrective and forms a higher low, well, then we can watch for a 3rd wave rally. And then it does this, yeah? So that would be ideal. Polygon hasn't fully recovered since the dip earlier this week. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame actually. Here on the smaller time frame, this is the microstructure you saw, the wave 1, the wave 2, the wave 3 on the larger time frame, the wave 4, and I told you one more high would be ideal. Well, this here is a bit ambiguous. The microstructure, best is to work with the levels here. So for circle 4, for this pullback, to keep this wave 4 pullback, the price actually ideally holds above 53 cents now, 52.5 that is. That is the low from this week, yeah, Tuesday. The Monday low, both are important. So it's pretty much nearly a double bottom there that we had around 52, 53 cents. That level ideally holds, and then based on that, we could assume a 5th wave is unfolding. Now, that said, we now have the first decent pullback after the price reacted to this support zone, and it's difficult. I mean, it could be a 5-wave move up. It depends on what this in the beginning is, how we count it. Therefore, there are too many interpretations that are possible. It looks overall more like a 3-wave move up, but if I call that here a truncation, this could already be a 1-2 setup. Now, if it's a 1-2 setup, that's why I said that's why it needs to hold above the Tuesday low, because a break below it will invalidate the pattern. So if this is a 1-2 setup to the upside, then the 3rd wave would be next. First of all, this pullback here needs to finish. Then a 3rd wave could send us into the blue target area, possibly to 78.5 cents, maybe even 86. And there we could then complete this larger 5th wave, circle 5 of wave 1. What happens if we break below that swing low from Tuesday? Well, it wouldn't be great for the bulls. It would certainly indicate some weakness. In that case, I'd be watching for the alternative wave 2. We might assume that wave 2 is already unfolding. It's not great though, but the move up looks quite strong, but it's not a clear 5-wave move yet. But in an alternative scenario, I could find a way to call it 5 waves, but it would not be the preferred scenario right now. But sometimes the market just does that, right? It's just following the second most likely scenario, and in this case this would be a C wave down, in which if the B wave topped, and it's possible that the B wave topped there, then we are moving down now in wave C and could target 41.7 cents or 35.4 cents in the lower support region. In this case, we can calculate the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and we're looking for the 100% extension to the 161.8 extension. So we talk about 44.7 to 35 cents pretty much as ideal target zone for wave C. But first of all, the focus needs to be on whether the market holds above the Tuesday low or not, or certainly above the Monday low. If that doesn't happen and we break below, then it's clearly the yellow scenario. The white count would be invalidated as it is, and we would focus on yellow. It might be worth still watching for that, but the overall bullish thesis would then already reduce in likelihood, unfortunately. But for now we're holding above that 10th of, or that, let's say, the Tuesday and the Monday lows, and we'll keep an open mind about the structure. It's important to be flexible in the current range. It was fairly easy and straightforward to track all these movements in the third waves that we were tracking. Now it's getting challenging because we're getting into those complexities of waves 4 and 5. That's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. If you're interested in the membership, you can check our channel page for an explanation video, what's included in the membership. As a thank you, you get member-only videos. Today we covered Injective Protocol, for example. Yesterday I covered 5 coins, the day before AVAX, and many, many more coins, specific videos for our members. If you join on Discord as a gold member, then you also get additional learning content. You get TradingView live chart links, you get access to the chat rooms and much more. So if you're interested, check it out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.